Boom! Hey! Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, like I said before, we are still treating factorization of linear expression on demand. Some children want me to treat this topic, and I said, okay, I'm going to treat it. Now, we have this question. I said the second video, I want to treat a bit more complex. Now, this is AB. Let's actually factorize AB minus BC plus AD minus CD. Now, if you look at AB minus BC plus AD minus CD, this full expression does not have a single common factor. They don't have. So in that case, we are going to group. So you are going to group. Now, what's my grouping? I will group AB minus BC, and I will group it. Can you see that? Now, before I group AD minus CD, factor out the sign. Bring out the sign. So I am bringing out the sign as positive, plus, and I'll go. Please, so this is plus times plus AD will give me what? AD. Now the plus here, if it multiplies the negative, that means you are bringing out plus, and if that plus multiplies this minus, you will still get your what? Your minus. So when it's plus, the signs, nothing happens to the sign. So I'll group them now, and I'll check what is common to this and this. What is common? AB minus BC. B is common here. So if I factor out the B, I have if AB divides B, you have A left. Minus BC divides B, you have C left. I hope you're following me. Plus, this is AD minus CD. What is the common factor here? The common factor here is what? Is D. AD divided by D, you have what? A. CD divided by D, you have what? Minus C. Can you see that now? You will now factorize this again. What is common to B bracket A minus C plus D bracket A minus C? What is common to the two of them is what? A minus C. So I'll put it out. A minus C. If B bracket A minus C divides this, I will have what? B left. And if this divides this, I will have plus what? Plus D left. I have successfully factorized this. I hope this is clear. Now, what if I have a negative? What if I have a negative? There's a question here which I am going to treat now. What if we have a negative? So that you understand that if you are factorizing, you are also factoring out the what? The sign. So I have 9x. I have 9x plus 6 minus 3x squared minus 2x. Now, look at what I have here. I have 9x plus 6 minus 3x squared minus 2x. So, like I said, the whole of this number does not have a common factor. This is 9x plus 6x. If you say x, there's no x here. You have x, but there's no x. So, they don't have a common factor for all of them. So, we are going to group. So, I want to group these two. So, when I group this, I'll have 9x plus 6. I'm grouping them. That means enclose them in bracket. But remember in the first video, I had something similar to this. So I will first of all factor out the sign before grouping. So this minus and minus. So I will factor out the minus sign. If minus divides minus, I only have plus. Because minus divided by minus will give me plus. I have 3x squared. Now this minus divided this minus, I will also have what? Plus. So I have plus 2x. I can't even see how the sign change. But some children, once they group here, they will still put the minus. When this minus is already outside. So that's the problem they're having. So you factor out the sign. Then let's now factor out the what? The expression. 9x plus 6x. What is common? 3 is the highest common factor there. Please note, highest common factor. So if I bring down 3 here, 9x divided by 3, I will have 3x plus 6 divided by 3, I will have what? 2 minus. Now, what is the common factor here? between that I have x is the common factor that can go there. So if I bring out the x, 3x squared divided by x, I have 3x plus 2x divided by x. What do I have? I have what? 2. Now we are where we are again from the first the first example. So let us now factorize this. 3 bracket 3x plus 2 minus x bracket this. What is the common factor? 3x plus 2 is the common factor. So we have 3x plus 2 is the common factor. If this divides this, I will have 3 left. Then if this divides this, what do I have? Minus x left. This is the factorization of this kind. Now this is how to factorize, especially when you have what? Linear x. Note that you must factor out signs whenever you are grouping. I hope this video will help for those children that ask for this topic. Please, I hope this will do. Thank you.